Hey everybody! Today I'm going to talk to you about Paragon Coin and the development of their supply chain solutions, which are really pretty groundbreaking. The system that Paragon has developed is based on smart contracts for data storage, and that's exactly what I want to talk about today in this demonstration. So we're going to walk you through the entire account setup and using your account, but also we're going to highlight what exactly smart contracts for data storage means. And I'm going to show you how that works and why it's better. So to aid in that process, you can follow along with my demonstration video here, along with a demonstration that was created for you to actually use the account in real time. So you can read all about it right here by clicking this link or copying it into your browser. You can sign up using this link right here. So click that or copy that into your browser and follow it to the webpage. And if you need some extra help, you can look at the help guide that Paragon has put together by clicking this link and or following it into your browser. The cool thing about smart contracts is you're creating real smart contracts every time you add new data to your account. Storing data in smart contracts is the first of its kind, and it demonstrates the extent of use cases for such a solution. So that's what we're going to do today here in this demo. So come on, let's check it out. Okay, so let's talk about supply tracking. You're going to log into your account. And once we're in, you're going to start by creating a farmer profile. Click the Add New button to add a profile. Fill in the main fields like name, email, etc., and then click Next. And then you're going to come to the personal information page. And here you're going to want to fill in all of the information that is noted as being required. And then once you're done with that, click Next. The Documents page gives you an opportunity to upload supporting documentation. And once you're done with that, you can click Finish to complete the process of creating a profile. So this is one of the places where smart contracts really comes into play. So all of the data that you add to your account, like right after you create a profile, it's added to the blockchain by the use of smart contracts. So now we're going to take a look at your farmer profile page. So from here, what you can do is you can look at the information that you input and you can compare it to the data stored in the blockchain to make sure that it is accurate. And if everything looks good, then great. Let's take a look now at creating a new harvest. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the farmer profile page, click on the harvest tab, and then click Add New. So from here you can add all of the information about your particular harvest, like the strain names, the weight, the plant type, and once you're done inputting all of that information, just simply go ahead and click Finish. So now you can see your new harvest added to the harvest list. And over there in the action column, you can click the view icon. And then once you do that, you can view, print, verify, and even scan the QR code for that particular harvest. So you can make sure that the information there is accurate, and you can access the data stored in the blockchain with that QR code. And once again, after creating a harvest, just like creating with your farmer profile or anything else that you do in your account, all of the data that you input in there is saved to the blockchain via smart contract. So now we'll look at creating a new lab. So in order to do that, navigate to the laboratories page and then click Add New. And then once you do that, the Create New Lab wizard starts, and you're required to input the name of the lab, the location, and then when you're done with that, click the Next button. And on the next screen, you'll be able to input any information that you think might be relevant to referencing that lab. And then once you're done with that, you can click Next. And then on the following page, you'll be prompted to upload supporting documentation. So once you're satisfied with that and once you've uploaded all documentation, just go ahead and click Finish, and you will have successfully created a new lab. And like before, after creating a lab profile, all of the information that you entered is stored on the blockchain via smart contract. Now let's take a look at the lab profile page. From this page, you can look at all of the saved information about your lab, and you can also have the lab issue its report expertise. And exactly what that is what I'm going to talk about right now. To start creating an expertise, navigate to the laboratories page, click on the expertise tab, and then click add new. On the next page, you're going to be required to put in the lab name, its address, and other things. When you're done with that, you can click finish. So you can now view all of your expertises from the expertise list. And once you click the view icon, you can view all of the saved information pertaining to that expertise. And you can view, print, and you can even scan the QR code, which will give you access to the information for that expertise stored on the blockchain. So now we're going to look at the process of smart contract data recovery. From the dashboard, you can view all the logs that are created when the smart contract adds new data to the blockchain. So if data for farmers, harvests, labs, anything like that, if any of that data is lost at any point, it can all be restored from the blockchain. To imitate data loss, click Delete All Data from DB. For data restoration, click Restore Data from Blockchain. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click this link right here and you can sign up for the demo. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.